What's up everyone, it is me, May, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels mystery models. And we are gonna unbox this package. Let's see what's inside in there. Oh, it's 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S with green, brown, and black. With front, we have gray grill, pan to side with dusty stuff, rear, driver side, and roof with number 3 and salvage. And the corner says T14, that's the code. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.